Come in.
You don't want to believe it, but we have.
What do you have?
PlayStation 4.
Ooh, we got a PS4.
We have a PlayStation 4.
Alright.
Hey guys, this is ARMAS.
And this is Nico.
Today, we have a special item with us. It's a PlayStation 4.
PS4.
Brand new.
Brand new.
We have a camera here, and we have a FIFA game.
FIFA 14.
So today, we're gonna unbox the PS4. We're gonna show you everything. We should unbox the PlayStation 4 with a camera.
PS4.
Okay. So you guys wanna see? Let me take everything from here. Whoa.
Is the controller in there?
The controller.
Whoa.
Is right here, the new controller for a PlayStation 4. Look at that.
So
Look
slim.
at that spec. I think it's, I don't know, it's better. I think the PlayStation 3 feels better. So this is the sensor bar. This is a touchpad. Feels, you click and everything, so it feels really good. So looks like right here you have a microphone or a speaker. Oh yeah, this is for the headset. Right here we have the share button. And right here we have the option button. So we don't have a pause, so probably this one's gonna be the option, the pause. And probably feels better. Feels more.
That's awesome.
Feels more compact to touch. So this is a controller.
There it is.
We have here. This is a. I believe this is a USB cable to connect the control, to power the control. What else we have here? This is the HDMI. So now it came with the HDMI. That's cool. This is power. This is the power supply. And what else we have here? What else we have here? This is the menus, the manuals, that kind of stuff. Now we have most important thing. A PlayStation 4 console.
Yeah.
Two different colors here. And then what is it here, like
Smooth.
smooth? Yeah, dude, it's awesome. Right here we have the ports, the power button. We have the eject button. That's it. USB ports here. We have 1, 2. Let's look in the back. Right here we have the power supply. We have everything when you connect it. We have the optical audio, I think, or video, I don't know. This is the HDMI out. This is for the, yeah, oh yeah, the Ethernet. So this is the auxiliary. So, it works in the Xbox One. Because Xbox One looked like a big ass VCR. So this is it, man. Look at that. This is awesome. Thanks for my friend to bring us the PlayStation 4 and thank you, man. And now we're gonna open the camera. Camera. The brand new camera. Alrighty. Let's see what this camera is about. Whoa.
Oh, a lot of cables.
This is the stand, I guess.
The stand.
Because this is the camera.
Yeah, you fold it and it stands up.
This is the famous camera. Whoa. You can like adjust it like for, whoa, this is a camera, guys. It's really cool. So that's it. I think that's it.
Yeah.
We show you everything. We show you
The game, the controller, the console, the camera.
So
better look. There it is.
So we're gonna play FIFA 14. It's gonna be our first game that we're gonna play. We're gonna upload one video game
Every
week, right?
Yeah, every week.
So we're gonna play FIFA first 1 week, and then we're gonna play another game. Just in the comments, you guys tell us what kind of games you guys like, and we're gonna play it for you, and we're gonna
review them
and everything. And also we're gonna play those 3 games that came with the PS4s.
Yeah, we heard about those.
We heard about those. They're really cool. So we're gonna play those. And thanks for watching. In the next video, we're gonna play FIFA. So stay tuned.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you guys.
Bye bye.